Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the world's most exciting vehicles. And today you're about to see something truly unbelievable. Forget what you think a motorhome is, because the 2026 Luxury Motorhome isn't just a ride, it's a $2 million mansion on wheels. This machine takes luxury to levels that rival private jets and super yachts. But it gives you the freedom to take that luxury anywhere the road can reach. From the outside, it already makes a statement. The futuristic aerodynamic design, chrome accents, and massive panoramic glass windows give it the presence of a rolling skyscraper. It looks powerful, elegant, and instantly sets itself apart from anything else you've ever seen on the highway. But once you step inside, that's when the real magic happens. The living room is breathtaking. You walk into an open space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Plush leather seating wraps around the cabin. A giant 80-inch smart TV dominates the wall. And the integrated sound and lighting systems create any atmosphere you desire. From cozy relaxation to party-ready vibes, every detail screams sophistication. From the handcrafted wood finishes to the soft LED glow that changes with your mood. Step further and you'll find the kitchen, which rivals what you'd see in a top-tier condo. Think full-sized refrigerator, induction stove, convection oven, marble-style countertops, and even a built-in wine cooler. Cooking here isn't just possible, it's enjoyable. Imagine preparing dinner while parked at the edge of a lake or overlooking mountains. It's like having a private restaurant with the best view money can buy. The bedroom, absolute serenity. A king-sized memory foam bed, luxury linens, and a panoramic window above the headboard, so you can fall asleep under the stars and wake up with the sunrise. The smart climate control ensures perfect comfort while hidden storage keeps everything sleek and uncluttered. And then the bathroom, wow. Heated floors, rainfall shower, marble finishes, premium fixtures, and even spa-like touches that make you forget you're in a vehicle at all. It's relaxation and indulgence on another level. But what makes this 2026 motorhome truly next-gen is its technology. Voice-activated controls handle lighting, blinds, temperature, and entertainment. Solar panels and advanced batteries keep you energy independent. Driving assistance systems and safety tech make it smooth and effortless to handle, despite its size. So here's the question. If you had $2 million, would you choose this rolling mansion over a villa, yacht, or private jet? Drop your answer in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this tour. And subscribe to Auto Plus for more mind-blowing vehicles. Because this isn't just a motorhome, it's the future of luxury travel.